Let's make easy Chinese sausage French bean fried rice today. This fried rice is savory with crispy French beans on every bite. Once you take one bite, you won't be able to stop. Follow my channel and save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime you like. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now. And when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you. If you are willing, please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. Cubes all ingredients. Rice mix with light soy sauce, egg, and sesame oil. Stir fry all ingredients, then add rice. Season with pepper powder and chicken powder. Stir fry for 2 minutes until fried is fragrant, then plate fried rice into bowl. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Thanks for watching.